You can now create and manage labels directly from Sirena. Hi, this is Lucilia from the marketing team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create labels from Sirena. To do this, you just go to Settings, Account Configuration, and you'll here see the Labels tab. You just press Manage, and you'll find the default labels that are cold, warm, and hot. And now to create a new label, it's pretty simple. You just press on Create a Label. You just name, for example, Test Label. You choose a color, and you select a group. And you just put Create, and that's it. The label is created. If you go to Manage, you'll see that the test label in blue, it's created. And we'll see how it works. Now you just go to any conversation that you want to label a contact. You press it. And we choose the test label, that it's blue. When you just press Save, you will see that the color is changed. If you go back to Settings, you can change the name of the new label, test label 1. You can also change the color again. If we go back to the conversation, you'll see that now it's brown. And you can also erase the label. Back to account configuration, you just manage and just delete it. And now the contact will have no labels. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, just write it down in the comments.